Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ghaneva and this is Ghaneva Air channel, but my real name is Eva, but I love to be called Ghaneva. So today's episode is about mini importation. This channel is about personal development, that's leveling up in life. Mini importation, that's business tips that I do personally and I share with you for free, and lifestyle as well, that's just about me. So today let's get into quick what this video is about. Today we are going to talk about how you can get tested and trusted shipping companies, plus how you can input this shipping address in your 1688 app. So before your things get to you, of course you need to give them address, so they will send your things or your package to those address, so you get it at your location. So this channel, I have a lot of videos. I've talked about delivery guys, how you can get your things, because delivery in mini importation is a lot. We have three main types of delivery in mini importation before your things will get to you. I have that video on this channel. I'll put the link in the description box down below so you get access to them and know how your things will be delivered before it gets to you. So let's get into this video. So with the shipping companies, let me explain this before I go into how you can input this shipping address on the 1688 app. So this shipping address, everyone has their own different shipping address. What I mean by this is that if the company gives you that address, your address is going to be different from someone else. This is because they incorporate your shipping mark with a shipping address. Here, let me explain what shipping mark is. So shipping mark is something that it contains your name, your contact, and your location. This shipping mark, you will ask your supplier to also write it on your package so that it will be different from someone else's package. This same shipping mark, you will give it to the shipping company so that the shipping company will incorporate this shipping mark to the shipping address, so that whenever they are sending the goods, they will know that it is you that we are taking your package. So if we are receiving a package with the same box, because we are having different shipping mark but with the same company shipping address, but that makes it different, we will know that this is for you and this is for someone else, so that we won't mess up the packages. So that's simply how the shipping address makes it different. So even if I give you my shipping address, you can't use it because it incorporates with my shipping mark as well. So if you want to get to the shipping companies that I always use and they are really tested and verified, please click the link in the description box to get access to this shipping mark. And in this link, I've also input how you can test these shipping companies to be professional, so they know that you know what you are doing. You've been in the mini importation business for so long, and I mean you are an expert in the mini importation business. I've also input how you will talk to them, how you just go straight to the point to get what you need from them, so they'll give it to you, and what you can do if you are not getting them too early. I have all these goodies in the link, so just click the link. While you are getting the shipping company, I have guidelines as well to guide you in that shipping company businesses as well. So after getting your shipping address, this is how you can input your shipping address on the 1688 app. Let's watch video shortly on how you can input it and where you can get it. But remember that on 1688, the language is in Chinese. So if you don't know how to go about it, I already have a video on that. Check my playlist on this channel. Check my products are from 1688. I have the video inside that playlist. Or if you want to get it straight away, I have it in the description box as well. So you can just click the link, the video there, and you will get it. How you can translate the app. So let's get right into the video. If you see me translating everything, that's how I did it exactly. I have video on that so you can get it. Now let's get right into it quick. So in this video we are going to learn how to add shipping address on the app. So when we buy our things from the suppliers, they send it to the shipping companies so that they will ship it from China to Ghana for us, or if you are buying from Turkey, they will ship from Turkey to Ghana for us. So we are going to learn how to add the shipping address on the app so that when you are buying directly on the app, you are not going to give the shipping address to the supplier again. You just go straight when you are using the direct. But if you are buying indirectly, you will give the shipping address. So let's get right into it, how to do all these things. So first of all, you go to me, that's here. Okay, now when you get to me, you click on the settings. The settings, the one I've circled in pink. Okay, go to settings. Now when you get to settings, you use your high dictionary, or those with the iPhone, you use your Google Translate. So in Google Translating, you will see delivery address management. Okay, now let's click on the arrow in the delivery address management. Okay, so it's because I've used this shipping address before, that's why the shipping address is already here. So when you click down here, you see new shipping address. So this is where you click to add a new shipping address, and if you still want to use the old one, you click here to continue with the old one. So since we are learning how to add a shipping address, I'm going to add a new one so that you guys would understand. Now someone may ask, how would I get the shipping address? So getting the shipping address, you will get them from the shipping companies. Okay, and I'm going to give you all the shipping companies. So let's get right into adding the new shipping address because I've already gotten my addresses. Okay, so now when you get right here, you copy the address they gave you. Okay, then you come here to paste the address. Now let's translate this. Automatic identification. Good. So when you click here, I have it here. So we have Amusco, we have Tana Logistic. So Amusco was the old one, so I'm using a new shipping address. Okay, so we click on it. Good. Now when you paste it here, you click here, it will be automatic and it will fill in these sessions automatically. Okay, so we are clicking here to fill in automatically. You see, it's done. Okay, so when you check here, this is the name, that's my name, this is the cell phone, the postcode, the area, and the address. So don't change anything. Okay, don't change anything. So let me use Amusco to make you also understand it. I'm using a new shipping address too, so Amusco, then you automatically click on it. It's changed. Have you seen it? Okay, so it's changed. So my name is Dan Imports and the rest there, but I'm using Tana Logistic this time. Okay, so I use this. Good. Then I automatically click on it and it has come. Okay, so I change here to be Gan. Gan. Because my name is Gan Import, not Imports. Imports, everyone import. Okay, but for you, you shouldn't be changing anything. Okay, good. So this is it. After that, then I proceed. That's save, and here is set as the default address. So you can either set as the default address, or you will be keeping or changing it, so you don't set it as the default address. It depends on your choices. Okay, maybe you would use that same shipping company, but me, I keep changing them to test how differently all of them their service works, so that I'll keep working with the best one. So this is how you input your shipping address. And I told you before, as I said, everyone has their own shipping address. It's different from everyone else's own. So please do what? Click the link in the description box to get access to these shipping companies. Don't let anyone scam you. Just get this one verified and tested. I've shared with my students that I've taught them mini importation as well, and they've never complained. I use them personally as well. So just click the link and get access to these shipping companies that they are trusted and verified as well. So here is where I will end the video as well. And I hope you've gotten something from this video that will help you thrive in your mini importation business as well. So this channel is about leveling up in life, developing yourself as an individual, because just like we use our smartphone, we always update them so we get new version of them. And I believe as a human being, that's the same thing we need to do to improve on our life daily basis. So while I talk about mini importation on this channel, I also talk about personal development as well. So do well to subscribe to the channel if you are someone about this, so we grow together on this channel. I would love you to be part of this community as well. If you find any challenges while you were putting your shipping address or anything, let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to help you as well. I'll see you in the next video, and do well to subscribe as well. Can never edge deep inside real success. Stay focused. Bye.